my guns?
There you go, you can have it.
Go, sissy! No. No. Go! Okay, whenever you're ready, honey.
Get on the tree! Get on the
No, it'll spin him. No.
I can keep out.
Okay.
Just go.
It doesn't matter.
You can hold yourself up. Let go!
Got it.
Move, Marie.
Come back.
Oh. We got birds. We got 6 ducks, 4 turkeys, and 10 Colombian chickens, hens. And right now they're in the dining room. So we have a lot of work to do outside today because we got to get these moved outside, and we have to get the big chickens out of the well house into their own separate pen. Good morning, everyone. So we are in the garden. So we're moving the chickens to the back side of the garden, but I just wanted to give you guys just a little quick garden tour of what these beds are doing because they look absolutely stunning. Don't mind the horses in the background, but that is sage. Pumpkins down here. That's the cucumber vines. Look at them. They look so beautiful. Those are the ones that were from Tractor Supply. And then over here is a bell pepper plant with some basil and our tomatoes. They're trying. Squash. Look at this pineapple sage. It has just kind of taken off, which is great. Now, best part. Watch this. Ooh, look at that. Ain't that pretty? Look at all of that. Corn, pumpkins, peas, squash, green beans. Some here too. Not all of it's come up, but it's trying. So pretty. And then we still have some over here. And they're coming up. They are. They're coming up. It's just not all of them are coming up. So our cucumbers, of course, over here are coming up, which is great. And then we have various things planted in these beds. This is all companion planting. What is that one? That one is zinnias. So the flowers are coming up. Cilantro, kale. I think that's about it in that bed. And then over here is a lot of cherry radishes and rosemary and collard greens. They're trying. They're coming. It's going to take them a minute. Nothing too crazy. Not sure what that one is. Those might be cherry radishes. Yeah, they are. And then over there is some more herbs over here in this bed. It's just taking it a lot longer, which is kind of frustrating. But it was such a late planting season for me that at this point, if it doesn't come up, it's okay because we are moving our garden. We're moving it to the round pen, where the round pen is, because there's more sunlight there. So, and absolutely none of these came up, which is frustrating. This bed did so good last year. So good. But this year it's just not. Okay. Let's go ahead and head to the mound. the mound that I have been avoiding. Now I need to cut grass, but I haven't got around to it. Look at this. These were there's 2 of them, and they were planted last fall. And this is what I've gotten from it. Look at that. And it just keeps going. It's so beautiful. But this is the mound, and I just haven't put anything in it yet. I'm scared. So we'll see if anything comes from these. It's a melon variety. I just hope it's not gourd, because that would suck if it was gourd. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? They look like lily pads, kinda. Can y'all see that moth on that leaf? Right there. Look at that. Isn't nature beautiful? So we have to go back there and turn that into the chicken's pen. So let's go. Okay, so I have already went through and laid out all of the T-posts for the new chicken coop pen run, and I'm now just driving them in with the T-post. So it's hot. I'm over it, and I just want to get them moved. So let's get their new home built. Should have eaten something, but I haven't yet. Ooh, Lord. This is deep. Oh, Jesus. That's not straight. Not even by a little bit. Oh well. Okay guys, so we're pausing on the outside really quickly. My contractor is here. He is actually leasing our other property, and he is doing us a favor by being here, which I'm so thankful for. But he's come in and he's going to put everything back together since we got the water leak fixed on the second floor or on the upstairs where the AC unit is. It's dry, the AC is fixed, and now we're going to put it all back together. And we're going to also try and put the boys' closet back together for now until we can come back in next month and start renovating. I've already talked to him. He's already told me what we can and can't do, and we're super freaking excited. So we're going to set you guys up so you guys can just sit back and watch, okay?
Talking about how to smoke. Where did I just put that? Dang, I cannot believe that. Where's your husband?
He's at work.
Oh,
Monday.
everybody else had to work. I was supposed to go to work. I mean, yesterday I was like, babe, I got to go to Rachel's to get it done. Miss Stephanie knows it was all right. She's good with it.
Do you know how hard it is not to rip the stuff off the walls?
What's one?
All of it.
Wow.
Because I'm over it. I've looked at pine for 2 years. This isn't my style.
Rachel, paint it.
I'm going
Rip it off
to.
the walls.
Well, I'm going. I mean, I got to take that down in order to
Yeah.
string a wall.
Hey, like, I feel you, but if it's like that, paint it.
Yeah, I want to do it right.
You don't want to rip these walls. You don't want to rip the stuff off these walls. I promise you that.
I just want to do it right, you know.
Yeah. I thought they wouldn't gonna come out.
So everything that I want to do you think it's feasible?
Yeah, everything is feasible that you're talking about. Just doing it, the time to do it, and doing it the right way when it comes time. Hey, don't let like if you was to do it. I mean, I'll come and do it. If you get anybody else in here to do it, don't let them shortcut you.
No, I don't want anybody else to do it.
Hey, because like
That's why I asked you.
I've had a lot of people lately like, oh, that your prices are either, hey, we're gonna try this one out, and then they call me back 4 months later. AJ, can you please come fix this?
Yeah, I know.
Yes, ma'am, no problem. Hey.
I've seen what y'all done to the other property. I don't need to
Yeah,
call
but you ain't
anybody
even
else.
seen the
Well, guys, it is put all back together like nothing ever happened. Look at it. It looks so good. I cannot wait to see what we actually get to do to the house, because all of this was taken up and he put it back, and all of this was taken apart and he put it back, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait.